how do you put the, some sort of navigation here? So maybe the last trick here. So you can just go for a text box. So what I'll do now is I'll use a text box and I will insert a symbol like an arrow like this one. Did I insert it? All right. Make it slightly bigger, or actually not the text box. Let me change this to like a circle. This would be probably nicer. Circle with slides, something like this, and just make sure that everything is aligned here, and the shape should be exact circle. So okay, let's do it like this. All right, and now I'll just use this. This is just a simple shape, right? But you can use it. I can put it here, and you can use it as a link, you know, to the next page. How do you do that? You simply insert a hyperlink. All right, so you insert a link, and now you just navigate here to the place in this document, and you simply say report 1. All right, click. Boom. Yeah, okay. This is it. All right, so you see, that's how you do it, and then you basically just then you can just copy and paste it and use the same one. Just change the link to all the pages. So here you would then put it here. Maybe turn it around. Whoops. Turn it in the other direction and change the link back to home. And now you have the navigation. All right, click back to home. Details.